Before we start, welcome to Tutorial World, where we teach how to make money online, also revealing some hidden go tricks. Now, let's go. Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you one website that can give you free email template for online registration. Yeah, as it is now, this website is called Antingy. We want to use this website as an example, so we want to try it with this website, whether the site is legit or not. Okay, we want to click on the registration button. As it is now, this website needs an email address. So for you to get the free email template, you have to go over to this website. This website is called Email on Dig. This website is free and fast. Yeah, you just need to complete only 1 and 2 steps. Just 2 steps. Click on I'm not a robot and get your email. Email on Dig is always simple and free, and this website is available worldwide. Yeah, check the link on the description. Yeah, Email on Dig. This website is 100% legit. You just need to click I'm not a robot and get your email. So don't skip this video. I'm going to show you step by step how to use this website. You just need to click on not a robot and get your email. This is our email, so you just need to copy it and go back to the site and paste it. Yeah, you just need to copy and go back to the site and paste it on Antingy website. Yeah. Okay, as it is now, you just need to click on create account for them to send me an email confirmation. Yeah, then to send me an email confirmation. This website is 100% legit. Yeah, I love this site. Yeah. So the address, the email that we use, let's click on continue. Okay, it take us back to the home page. So you just need to go back to the Email on Dig. They have sent us an email confirmation 2 minutes ago. I love this website. This website is fast and free. Yeah, you will see the link on the description. Okay, you just click here. This is the link that we will use to complete our registration. This website is 100% legit. You can use this website for your online business. Okay, as you can see, this is the email that we use. That's the email on Dig gave us. So as you can see, the website is 100% legit. So I can now complete my registration, I fill out my form, and become a member of Antingy program. Yeah, this website is 100% legit. That's it. This website is 100% legit. Email on Dig. Check the description now. You'll see the link. Okay, this website is 100% legit. I can now set up my account and become a member of Antingy. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.